Colonel Garma, you said that Captain Albotra mentioned the killing to you in a courtesy call in your office, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Was it at that time, were you the Chief of Police of Cebu City?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, when he made that courtesy visit to you, was it after his reassignment to Station 1 of Cebu City?
Was it after?
Was it when he was reassigned to Station 1?
During that time, wala pa po siyang assignment sa...
Wala pa?
I am deciding pa po kung saan ko siya ilalagay. Kasi
but he was
call.
returned to you, back to you in Cebu City?
Yun ang understanding ko po nung sinabi din nila na galing na siya doon dati. Pero hindi ko na po pinansin yun, Mr. Chair.
Alright. So after he mentioned that to you na sila nga yung may tumira kay Mayor Halili, it was you who assigned him to a station? As Chief of Police?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Now, in that station, did he perform well naman, si Captain Albotra?
Maayos naman, Mr. Chair.
Maayos naman. Wala naman kayong away?
Wala po, Mr. Chair.
There was no miscommunication, misunderstanding between you and Captain Albotra?
Wala po.
He had no complaints against you also?
Wala din po.
Wala din. Okay. Now, Captain Albotra, in your affidavit, you repeatedly said that the allegations made by Colonel Garma are pure chismis, no? Made-up stories, correct?
Yes po, Mr. Chair. Narinig naman po natin yung sinabi niya yun, Mr. Chair. May chismis po, Mr.
Ito ba yung first time na narinig mo na ikaw ay implicated in the murder of the Mayor Halili?
Yes po, Mr. Chair. First
When
time.
Colonel Garma mentioned it?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
So that was the first time in your entire career that you heard such allegations?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay, now, would Colonel Garma have any reason to implicate you, Captain Albotra?
At first, Mr. Chair, I can't think of any, Mr. Chair. Nagulat din po ako, Mr. Chair.
Nagulat. Now, why of all the police officers that she knows, bakit ikaw?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
What is so special about Captain Albotra?
That's why I thought, Mr. Chair, na-confuse po si ma'am siguro, Mr. Chair.
Confused?
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Baka lang na-confused.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Kasi yung inabay po niya, Mr. Chair, chismis. Tapos ginagawa niya po, ako na po yung nagsabi, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Now, Colonel Garma, when Captain Albotra made that statements to you, was it clear to you na it was him bragging about what they did?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Siyang nag-volunteer. Kaya hindi ko talaga makakalimutan po. Kasi hindi ako updated nun kung sino yung mga namatay na mga politicians nun. It was him who volunteered.
So you were surprised that all of a sudden someone would out of the blue say or claim to have participated in the killing of a mayor?
Yes po.
That's why it will always be memorable for you and it would be easy to recall such an event, correct?
Yes po.
Now, Captain Albotra said that he will file cases against you. That's what's mentioned in his affidavit because he's claiming that what you've said are pure lies. What is your comment to that, Colonel Garma?
Makokonsensya din po yan kasi I treated him very well when I was the city director of Cebu City. In fact, may mga operations din yung mga tao niya na he needs my intervention and I gave my full support. Alam po niya yan.
So
now, if he will sue me, I will face it. But I can look it straight in his eyes. I am not lying and he is lying and he is coward to mention names na alam niya kung sino talaga tumira kay Mayor Halili. He knows it. Konsensya na lang po niya yan, Mr. Chair and Your Honor.
Captain Albotra, Colonel Garma says that she took care of you, no? Nilagaan ka, pinotektahan ka.
Totoo po yan, Mr. Chair.
Now, ikaw pa yung may lakas ng loob daw na mag-file ng kaso against
Mr.
Colonel
Chair,
Garma.
grabe po yung Mr. Chair, grabe po yung impact nung binanggit niya po yung pangalan ko, Mr. Chair. Grabe po talaga, Mr. Chair. Hindi ako nakatulog ng mga ilang araw. Hanggang ngayon, Mr. Chair, hindi pa po ako nakatulog ng kumpleto. Pero kaya ko namang Mr. Chair, kalimutan, Mr. Chair, yung sinabi ni Ma'am, Mr. Chair.
So hindi ka nakatulog because sinabi ni Garman na you were involved. But nakatulog ka na sinabi mo kay Garman na pinatay niyo yung tao. Okay lang sa iyo. Hindi na konsensya doon.
Again, Mr. Chair, wala po talaga akong maalala na nagsabi ako ng ganyan kay Ma'am, Mr. Chair.
So walang naalala doesn't mean that hindi mo ginawa.
Hindi ko po ginawa yun, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Chair. That's all.